Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. So let's go ahead and start looking at lesson 18 for your math. Okay, so this is course 1, lesson 18, average line graph. So averages are important, and we're going to be going over this in class for one of our projects this month. Okay, lesson 18, averages. Okay, so you're going to do your mental math, you're going to do your problem solving. And the new concept is here we show 3 stacks of books. Stacks of books contain 8 books, 7 books, and 3 books respectively. Altogether, there's 18 books. What is the number of books in each stack? But the number is not equal. So we're going to see how we can do it to make it equal or as close to equal, right? So move some of the books from tallest to shortest. That gives us 6 books in each stack. We would say the average is 6. Okay. Now, what we're talking about when we're doing these averages here, this is called the mean average, okay? And the mean average is usually the average we use, especially if someone is not clarifying, okay? So there's 3 averages. There's the mean, the median, and the mode, okay? So the mean is if you have 7 numbers, you add them all together, and then divide by 7, okay? So if in here I have 4 numbers, I add them all together, and then I divide by 4, okay? My average is 28 students, okay? Over here, this is 3, 7, and 8, okay? Gives us 18. The average, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now, over here, we're looking for what number is directly halfway, okay? Let's see, are they going to give us median and mode in this section? Okay, so I guess they won't go into median and mode just yet. So the only average you need to learn just right now is mean, which is adding all the numbers together and then dividing by that number, okay? What we'll find out with the median is in a number line, the middle number. So if we had 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, yeah, if we had 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 as our numbers, right? So for our mean, we would add all those up and divide by 5. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 18. So it'd be 18 divided by 5 would be our mean for this. 18 divided by 5, which is what, like 3.5, 3.2 or something? 3.3. Our median is we just go for the middle number. So our average here is 4, okay? Now mode is just the number that shows up the most. So for the mode, it would be like if you had 2, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, your mode would actually just be 2, okay? Because you have 2 2s and all the other numbers are 1. Even though most of the numbers are actually kind of higher, and if we did a mean average here, we would get a much larger number. Our mode ends up being way smaller, okay? We'll go into those later. Our book only wants us to know mean right now, and that's fine. It also wants you to know the line graph, okay? This will come into handy for some other things. So we're trying to figure out like what is happening each year. So from years 8 to 9, she went from 48 to looks like 50, okay? Somewhere around there. From 9 to 10, she went up from 50 to 52, so about 2 inches. From 10 to 11, she went up from 52 all the way to 57, it looks like. So that's a pretty big jump. From 57 to 60, from 60 to 62, from 62 to 63. I'm just kind of guessing because they haven't given me specifics on where they're at. Okay. But so the point in which the line is the steepest, that is the biggest growth. Okay. So we have what's called our x-axis down here and our y-axis here. Okay. So every time x goes up, okay, so every time a year has passed, we're further along over here. And then over here is height. So at age 8, she's 48 centimeters, or 48 inches. Over at 14 years, she's 63. Okay. So that's how that works. I think you guys will be able to figure that out just fine. I don't think there's anything too crazy there. Really work on that practice set. Let's go ahead and let's just do 2 through 30 even for this this set. Okay, just get a little bit of everything there. Okay, and that'll be your practice set. Not a lot of notes here. Please remember that if you get stuck on anything here, I want you to send me an email and I'll make you a video explaining what's going on and how you get there.